Hey there, fellow gardeners. Have you ever been in the middle of a big pruning job when suddenly your chainsaw chain comes loose? Frustrating, right? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Today I'm going to show you how to fix that loose chainsaw chain in just a few minutes. First things first, safety is key. Make sure your chainsaw is turned off and the spark plug is disconnected. You don't want any accidents happening while you're working on it. Got your gloves and goggles on? Great, let's get started. Locate the tensioning screw on the side of your chainsaw. This little screw is your best friend when it comes to adjusting the chain. Use a screwdriver to turn it counterclockwise, which will loosen the bar and the chain. Once it's loose, you can easily reposition the chain back onto the bar. Now give the chain a little tug. You want it to sit snugly on the bar, but still have a bit of give. Think of it like tuning a guitar, not too tight, not too loose. If it's still a bit loose, go ahead and turn the tensioning screw clockwise to tighten it up. Keep checking the tension until it feels just right. Next, tighten the nuts that hold the bar in place. This will secure the chain and prevent it from coming loose again. Give the chain a final check to make sure it's tensioned properly. It should move smoothly without sagging. And that's it. You're ready to get back to your gardening tasks with a properly tightened chainsaw chain. Remember, regular maintenance is key to keeping your chainsaw in top shape. Thanks for watching and happy